Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cheers token. Now the Cheers token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today. This is the DiCaprio token on the Solana blockchain. This is a very popular meme from the Wolf of Wall Street with Leonardo DiCaprio cheersing, I believe it's a wine glass. And yeah, we're going to go over the information on the DiCaprio token and see if there's any maybe red flags or warning signs in any of the security on this token, see if there's any potential scam risks or anything like that. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Cheers token, well, the name of the token is DiCaprio. And ticker symbol is Cheers. It's on the Solana blockchain. You can find their webpage at DiCaprio.io. Their Twitter is at Cheers DiCaprio. And their Telegram is at DiCaprio Cheers. It looks like / let me verify that. Yeah, DiCaprio Cheers /1. 3,938 Telegram members. 252 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more. So there's a couple different ways to get the token. So you'll see on their Twitter right there, at Cheers DiCaprio, it says official Cheers account, purchase available on Solana network, and then they have the contract address right there on their Twitter. They have a link to their webpage. They just joined in March 2024. This is a brand new project. 4,521 Twitter followers, 74 tweets. So basically, you would need a wallet like a Phantom wallet or a Solflare wallet. You'd fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Cheers token using the contract address that you can find right there on their Twitter. And you can also find it on their webpage, DiCaprio.io. So that would be one way to get the token if you were interested in it. Another way is it just got listed today on MEXC Global. So it's a very big central exchange. Now, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. So this token just got listed today, March 31st at 7 a.m. UTC time. So that has already passed. So it is available now on MEXC. So basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Cheers. Now they have it with a Z at the end, so you'll see on SolScan it is Cheers with an S, but on MEXC Global it's Cheers with a Z. So you would search Cheers with a Z and then buy the token off MEXC Global. That's that easy. So you can get it in a couple different ways if you're interested in this token. But yeah, we'll look at the security in a second here. Now it does say audit on their webpage, but when you click on it, it brings you down and it says audited by M. Woods Audit Tech, where safety is the standard. And I don't see a link at all where you could actually click on the audit, so that's very strange. So I don't know where this audit is listed. Maybe on one of their socials buried or something. But it's almost there's no actual link to click on this M. Woods Audit Tech. But they do have a quick audit, and we're going to look at that in a second here. So what is this project all about here? It says DiCaprio Cheers The Leo DiCaprio cheers meme has become an iconic representation and celebration, acknowledgement, and camaraderie across the internet. Stemming from the scene of The Great Gatsby, the meme features Leonardo DiCaprio's character, Jay Gatsby, raising a glass in a toast with an expression of genuine joy and satisfaction on his face. What makes this meme so widely used and beloved is its versatility. Moreover, the meme's association with Leo, a highly respected and admired actor, adds an appeal. DiCaprio's expressive face in the scene captures a universal sentiment of happiness and connection, making it relatable to people from all walks of life. Then they have a buy now button on their page, button to a chart that'll take you over to Dex Tools. You can also find this token on SoulScan and Dex Screener. It says no buy or sell tax, LP tokens burned. It's got the contract on their page, lots of memes. So we are DiCaprio Cheers, the best place for all your DiCaprio cheers. Please look around the site, enjoy, share memes, yada, yada. And so, yeah, they have a 1 billion token total supply. It says 450 million tokens in circulation, 550 million not deployed. And so then it's split up between play to earn cheers game, founders, development engine, and market and associates. So, or marketing and associates, I mean. So coming soon is the Meme Generator, a casual mobile game, play-to-earn game, release of rare DiCaprio never seen before collection. So basically they don't have utility yet, but they're saying they will have utility in the future. Contact emails at the bottom of their webpage. So let's check this token out here on Dex Screener. Dex Screener, you can find the website, Twitter, Telegram. Now it does say liquidity is locked. So I'm going to put that up somewhere on the screen here so you guys can see. 99.89% of the tokens in the liquidity pool are locked and burned. So that's great to see. $370,000 in liquidity in Raydium right now. They have a market cap of $6.9 million, and that's also their FDV. So this token was created about around 8 days ago or so. So fairly new token. Somebody actually said, make a video on the Cheers token. I just haven't got around to it until today, so I apologize to that person who asked for the, I think maybe a couple people asked, but yeah, so this token's still doing well though, trending number 7 right now on Dex Tools. Very popular token, could be because of that MEXC global listing today. They have 6,620 holders already. So they have a Dex score of 99 out of 99, community trust score of 97.5% out of 40 votes, and they have a quick intel security audit where it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So their quick audit is great, good Dex score, good community trust score, liquidity pool locked and burned. So lots of good features here. I can't say for sure that the token is 100% safe because I haven't seen the full audit. They should have a link on their webpage where you could click and it'll take you right to that audit. But yeah. Anyways, let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.